7 Best 3D Printers. Number 1. Anycubic Viper. The new Anycubic Viper FDM printer attempts to be both an affordable 3D printer and easy to use. It's a tricky needle to thread. Plenty of 3D printers offer automatic bed leveling and calibration to make sure prints come out even and firmly anchored to the print bed. This, however, is the first time I've seen a 3D printer run its bed leveling once, with zero manual input from me, and be totally good to go. I printed a 3D test file from the included SD card within minutes of powering on, and I've never seen a first print from a 3D printer come out so perfectly. Number 2. Monoprice Select Mini V2. Despite the low price, this is a pretty damn full-featured 3D printer that supports any type of filament, including plastic filament. It is my favorite affordable 3D printer first step for testing the 3D printing waters. Print quality and printing speed are excellent, but there will be a good amount of trial and error in your first few prints. Just be sure to purchase extra filament since you'll use up the included sample roll very quickly. Number 3. XYZ Printing DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro. The ambitious DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro is a step-up printer with a big 6.9-inch square build surface and optional add-ons for both laser engraving and using specialized material like carbon fiber filament. However, the lack of built-in Wi-Fi is a major hassle, and for this price a non-heated print bed is a serious omission. Some of the company's printers are locked to proprietary filament, but this model is not, which is good, because the sample roll of PLA filament included in the box wasn't great, despite some extra troubleshooting required during setup. I like the modular nature of the printer. It's big, easy to use buttons, and frankly, the cheerful bright orange color. Amazon has a slightly updated version that's a little cheaper, but alas, in boring old gray. Number 4. Anycubic Mono. Resin printers are the next step up in rapid prototyping design technology when you want your printing to look as high quality as possible. Just be warned, the liquid resin is harder to work with, and it requires both good ventilation and a portable UV light to properly cue. This model is extremely popular with board game hobbyists who want to print pro-looking miniatures, and sometimes you'll see it fall in price. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono X. Standard resin printers are fine if you want to print small items or miniatures. For more oversized cosplay items, practical models, or collections of gaming miniatures, you're going to need a bigger build area. Enter the Anycubic Mono X, a resin printer that solves that issue by having a build plate nearly 3 times bigger than the standard Anycubic models. The Mono X also prints at insane speeds, because resin prints the entire layer in one shot. They tend to be quicker than traditional FDM printers anyway, but the Mono X takes this to the extreme, with layers printing in as little as 1 second. It's incredible to watch. James Bricknell. Number 6. Flashforge Adventurer 4. The Flashforge Adventurer 3 has long been one of CNET's favorite mid-price 3D printers. The updated Adventurer 4 brings a handful of iterative improvements that make for a winning evolution. The Adventurer 4 is a fully enclosed unit, which helps control the temperature and block drafts. The build area is 220 by 200 by 250, and it has a system for easily swapping out nozzles, all good features to have in a mid/high-end printer. Number 7. SOL Desktop Laser 3D Scanner. Recreate pretty much anything by putting it on this 3D scanner. Wear a rotating base and built-in camera create a 360-degree copy, which is then editable in any 3D program and printable on your 3D printer. Simply scan the object. Import the scan into your slicing software for cleanup, and print. The included software alerts you of next steps in the printing process with either sound or text. Scan quality and print resolution are great, and setup is easy, although you might want to clean up your 3D model a bit in a 3D software app after. So that's all for today's video for 7 best 3D printers. For more information, the links of all products given in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet in next one. Bye.